अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज का जो हमारा टॉपिक है 12th क्लास के लिए बिजनेस स्टडीज़ से हमने लिया है, दैट इज़ वर्किंग कैपिटल। तो ये जो वर्किंग कैपिटल है आज का हमारा टॉपिक, इसके बारे में हम जानने की कोशिश करेंगे। लेट वी स्टार्ट। इन्वेस्टमेंट इन करंट एसेट्स इज़ इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट एज द इन्वेस्टमेंट इन फिक्स्ड एसेट्स. Such an investment is required for carrying out daily operations of the business smoothly. Usually, the current assets are more liquid, but their contribution to the profits is less as compared to fixed assets. Uh, some examples of current assets in order of their liquidity, that is cash flow in hand divided by bank marketable service securities, bills, receivables, debtors, finished goods, inventory, raw material, prepaid expenses. In order of their liquidity, ये जो इनकी लिक्विडिटी होती है दैट इज़ कैश इन हैंड और कैश इन बैंक, मार्केटेबल सिक्योरिटीज़, बिल्स, रिसीवेबल्स, डेटर्स, फिनिश्ड गुड्स, इन्वेंट्री, रॉ मटेरियल, prepaid expenses. Current liabilities refer to those liabilities which are to be paid within a period of 1 year, such as creditors, bills payable, outstanding expenses, etc. Some portion of current assets is financed by current liabilities, while the rest of the portion is financed through long-term sources and is called network capital. Let me repeat. Some portion of current assets is financed by current liabilities, while the rest of the portion is financed through long-term sources and is called net working capital. Net working capital minus current assets minus current liabilities. According to Ginsberg, circulating capital means current assets of a company that are changed is the ordinary course of business from one form to another. As for example, from cash to inventories, inventories to receivables, receivables into cash. A right amount of working capital on a continuous basis should be maintained. Lenders consider a positive net working capital as a measure of safety. So they generally insist that a firm should maintain a minimum net working capital position at all times. ये तो था कॉन्सेप्ट वर्किंग कैपिटल का। तो अब हम फैक्टर्स की तरफ जाएंगे, उनको जानने की कोशिश करेंगे जो इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं वर्किंग कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट्स को। फर्स्ट वन, दैट इज़ नेचर ऑफ बिजनेस. The amount of working capital required is greatly affected by the nature of business. Usually, trading organizations and service industries require less of working capital as compared to manufacturing industry. Working capital affecting both liquidity and profitability. Liquidity refers to the company's ability to pay its short-term obligations, that is current liabilities, on time. A company having sufficient working capital as its disposal is able to meet its payment obligations on time. Manufacturing industry requires more of working capital for converting its raw material into finished goods and for maintaining its inventory. Second one, that is scale of operations. Organizations operating on higher scale requires more of working capital as compared to the organizations operating on lower scale. Third one, that is business cycle. Working capital requirement is also affected by different phases of business cycle. Higher amount of working capital is required in case of boom, when both the production as well as sales are higher. During the phase of depression, the requirement for working capital is low due to lower sales and production. Fourth one, that is seasonal factor. Seasonality in the operations of business firm also affects the requirement for working capital. During the peak season, the requirement for working capital is more because of higher level of activity. However, this requirement reduces during the lean season when the level of activity is low. Fifth one, that is production cycle. The time gap between the receipt of raw material and their conversion into finished goods is known as production cycle. In certain business this cycle is very long while in some it is short. Therefore, the organization having longer production cycle require more amount of working capital for raw material and expenses as compared to organizations having shorter cycle. Credit allowed. Credit policy adopted by different firms is different. Such policy depend upon the level of competition and the credit worthiness of the client. There is an increase in the amount of debtors if a firm adopts liberal credit policy. Hence, the requirement for working capital also increases. Seventh one, that is credit availed. The working capital requirement of a firm is also greatly affected by the credit which a firm can get from its suppliers. Less working capital is required if liberal credit terms are available to it. Eighth one, that is operating efficiency. The efficiency with which a firm manages its operations is different in different firms. For example, a firm may be able to manage its stock of raw material efficiently with less amount. This kind of efficiency is indicated by high inventory turnover ratio. Similarly, by reducing the amount of receivables, a better turnover ratio can be achieved. Therefore, such efficiencies which reduce the level of current assets result in lower working capital requirement. Ninth one, that is availability of raw material. Continuous availability of raw material and other material required result in maintaining lower level of stock. However, higher level of stock may be required if continuous availability of raw material is not there. Therefore, the time gap between placing the order and actual receipt of material is also an important factor. More of working capital will be required for maintaining higher level of stock if the lead time is higher. Growth prospects. The company with high growth prospects generally requires more of working capital to meet longer production and sales. Level of competition. Higher degree of competition forces a firm to maintain a high level of finished stock to meet the demand of the customers at short notice. Thus, more requirement of capital is there. A business with a nearly monopoly position will not face such problems. It may be able to receive advances from customers, else the customer may have is to wait after placing an order. Last one, that is inflation. An increase in the rate of inflation increases the requirement for working capital because it results in an increase in the price of raw material, labor cost, finished goods, etc. Thanks.